water. It covers most of the surface of the planet, making it one of the most powerful forces on Earth. Erosion comes from Latin. It means to eat away. We can actually see erosion in a common stream. Notice where the top of the stream bank is. Over time, maybe years, decades, centuries, or even millennia, the water cut through the soil. Now we can see the current edge of the stream. Water erosion can be a gentle trickle of water or a gushing torrent caused by a sudden catastrophic flood. Here the water erodes the edge of the ice. On the edge of the river, we see how water has sliced through the earth over time. On your next walk, look for a stream bank or the edge of a river, and you might just see the evidence of water erosion.